Look around RSM's vibrant campus with me. More than 100 study associations to inspire you alongside your lectures, and all the research happening here. Use the modern study spaces or the social lounges and quiet places if you want to relax. Time for a break, a working lunch, a healthy bite, or a tasty meal. You can even buy your daily groceries here. Do you like sport? Or do you want to try something new? We've got more than 50 to try at Erasmus Sport. Sustainability is one of our key themes. We've got gardens and lots of green spaces. Have fun testing yourself in the RSM escape room in business school style. Join thousands of others in events, social activities and competitions from STAR. You might want to wear a team hoodie. Get one in the RSM store. Need advice during your university journey? Seek out a student advisor. Bale Building is where MBA and executive education programs are. Lots of networking facilities and nice spots for a break here, like Maria's Cantina. It's international and lively here on campus, just like you. Get ready to make lifelong friends, become a force for positive change, and launch your career.